Let's say the worst has happened and you've forgotten either your username or your password for your virtual machine. What do? We're going to go into a back door. So here you can see my virtual machine is stopped. I'm going to bring up a console for it. And I'm about to click Start Now. As soon as you see the Proxmox splash, when the virtual machine starts running, press and hold down the Shift button. That will bring you to the Grub menu. You want to select Advanced Options. Choose Recovery Mode. And we want a root shell. Press Enter. Now, if you've forgotten your username, it'll be towards the end of the password file. So, to display the last few lines of the password file, run that command, tail/etsy/password. Here you can see my username, Tom Test. I'm the root user now, so I have root powers. I can do anything on the system. To change the password, run the password command on your user. Now, a warning. The characters you type will not be echoed back to you. Just a warning. Don't be surprised if you don't see asterisks. You're not going to see asterisks. So, type in the password that you want. Type it again. You should see that message, password updated successfully. If not, rerun the password command. When you finally successfully updated your password, run this command, systemctl reboot, which will reboot your VM. And hopefully you can now log in. If not, try it again.